Today I'm at the Kanapaha Garden in Gainesville. Kanapaha Botanical Garden in Gainesville. I've been here a couple of times, and over the 4 years I lived in Gainesville. It's a really nice park. It's a $10 entry fee, and nice little leisure walk. Pretty easy getting around, and it's basically inside Gainesville. I mean, it's on this side of the interstate from the Gainesville city itself. But yeah, take a look around Kanapaha Botanical Gardens.
A tongue travel production. Mahogany if you want to, 'cause you're safe with me, so just stay with me. Oh, every day is like a holiday. Sleeping if you want, sit, relax, unwind and kick back. So broken, yet I noticed in the weight of the world, got you hopeless. Nothing's greater, nothing's better. You just sit and you wait to come home. You got the fight in your hands with the world's too demanding, sweating blood to be paralyzed. No more worries, let's get settled, baby. Lay here if you want to, 'cause you're safe with me, so just stay with me. Holding to you every day is like a hostage. Baby, sleeping if you want, sit, relax, unwind and kick back, baby. 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 Something about you makes me feel this way. Something about you makes me want you. I want you so bad. Something about you makes me feel this way. Something about you makes me want you so bad, baby. No more worries, let's get settled, baby. Lay here if you want to, 'cause you're safe with me. Oh, just stay with me. Every day is like a hostage. Sleeping if you want, sit, relax, unwind and kick back, baby. 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 Just
So while I'm walking around, I can hear the little lizards skirting around in the foliage. When I get near the water, I can hear the little frogs hopping into the water. It's really nice and quiet. I am fairly close to I-70, so I can hear the interstate, but it's not too bad. I'm not even sure if you can hear it on the microphone. Looks like we're going into some large bamboo area. I seem to remember there was a big bamboo stand when I was here in the past. This is such a neat little place. It's tall bamboo. Nice shaded area. Look how thick that bamboo is back there. There's no way you can walk through that bamboo. Bamboo is pretty interesting stuff. I've seen it over in Asia and some different countries I've been into. See these tall modern skyscrapers, and on the outside where they're doing work on windows or whatever on the outside of those skyrise buildings, they're using bamboo as scaffolding material. Let's check out the sinkhole. A lot of the botanical garden has nice paved sidewalks, so it's easy accessible for someone with a wheelchair as long as someone helps push them along, because it's got some undulations to it. But yeah, looks like another sinkhole. Frog parking only, all others will be towed.